Meditate because some questions can't be answered by Google. Meditation is the tongue of the soul, the language of our spirit. Meditation will give you a little glimpse, a little taste that the truth is inside you. Take time to make your soul happy. Lord Buddha was once asked, "What have you gained from meditation?" He replied, "Nothing. However, let me tell you what I have lost. I have lost anger, anxiety, depression, insecurity, fear of old age and death." So, practice meditation and calm your mind because brilliant things happen in calm minds. Have a very good morning. Thank you.